Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I thought I'd share with you my Christmas room tour. So without further ado, let's get started. As soon as you enter, there's a small door jingle, and above I have this Christmas village, and as you turn you have the tree. My presents are all wrapped and ready to be delivered. This is my Christmas tree. And then my Christmas blanket. I love this cardinal print. And then look at these lights. And then you come back to the door. Oh, and I almost forgot. Christmas stocking. And that's it. This is my Christmas room tour. Hope you enjoyed it. I really love this red and green and silver decorations that I've got around. I have shared some of these in my previous haul videos. And underneath the Christmas tree, I lined all my Christmas gifts. These lovely wrapping papers were bought at Market 99. You can check it out in my haul video. And this lovely bag was got at Santosh. This bag was also got at Santosh. And all these bags are actually got at Santosh, except for the silver one. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this room tour. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. I wish you and your family a very lovely and fun-filled Christmas. Merry Christmas.